Oh my God. This guy is in a scandal. Game Changers, it's been a while. I have been very busy lately. Ang daming ginagawa, ang daming inaayos. Kailangan kong kumita dahil hindi ako pinapasweldo ng YouTube. Just a few things na inaalala ng mga tao pag malapit na siya mag-40 in a few years. Enough about me crying and let's see some memes today. Kuya Lak, laro ka na ulit. Ilalabas ka na pala eh. Ilalabas na ako. Ilalabas na yan. Am I gonna come? Lak is the new champion. After quitting for 8 years, they decided to make this. Para bumalik ako. Ikaw siguro to, ano? Si ex-caster. Kuya Lak, pwede ka na pala laruin. Why am I? Sa isip ko, laging boses bata kayo, no? Kaya ganun na lang. Exposes on January 28. Oh my God. Tapos na ang quarter ng year. Anyways, let's move on. This one is on February 6. February month is special. 4 Mondays, 4 Tuesdays, 4 Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This only happened once every 823 years. Yeah. I mean, what do you want me to react? Like, oh wow, amazing. Oh my God. Look at that picture. Okay, pinapahiya ko na yung mga viewers ko, okay? Graduated na siya. I think nanonood siya nung hindi pa siya graduated, but this time graduated na siya. What's luck? Tagal kitang hinanap, andito ka lang pala. Nakikipagbangasan kay Johnson. Oh my God, ML reference here. ML reference, I'm so old, but I do play ML, you know? Do I look like that? Do I look like... You see this? You see this hair? You see this hair? Nagpapahaba ako ng buhok because, you know, hindi para itago yung aking nauubos na hairline, but I want to look like Leon Kennedy from RE9, okay? Just look at this, okay? Let a close to middle-aged man trim a little bit, okay? I want to look, you know, as cool as the RE9 protagonist, okay? Do not question me. Pinapahaba ko yan ng todo para... Why do I need to explain anything? Hindi ko kamukha yung pinapakita mo.
Little Johnny tells his teacher his parents are getting a divorce because his dad has diarrhea. The teacher says, "That is ridiculous. How do you know this?" Little Johnny replies, "Well, when I was walking by the bathroom, I heard my mother tell my dad, 'We are getting a divorce if you can't get that hard.'"
Yeah, you are right. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Maybe my English comprehension is low, but masyado na akong pagod sa lahat ng bagay at hindi na ako nagre-react sa kahit ano.
Bruh.
That's all the posts on the GSPH group. Pagtagal naman, maghanap lang ako ng meme sa Facebook para hindi na kayo mapuwersang mag-upload ng meme dito. Ako na magsisipag maggawa ng content, okay? And if you want to join the Discord, nandun sila nagkakwentuhan. I think meron sila doong 20 magkakakilalang nag-aasaran. So, you can join para 21 na kayong nag-aasaran. Okay? Let's look at some memes. Despertador para alas 6. EU acordado as alas 5:59. Ano pinagsasasabi na ito? No. You see, it's simple memes like this ang nakakatawa, di ba? Yung pauulit-ulitin mo kahit sandali lang yung clip, di ba? It's so fun to watch. Parang ako lang pagka gabi at nanonood ng alas 9 ng Freyren. Ang ganda ng Freyren, you know. Season 2, recommended. Ang ganda ng mga nangyayari. Oh my God. Anime nerd alert. What's that? Oh yeah! The show must go on. That's dedication. That's not... I think that's what some people do to be famous. He's trying to be famous. But naghirap siya para gawin yan, di ba? Makita nyo, ganyan ang mga gusto kong mga ginagawa ng tao Naghihirap para sumikat Hanap kasi ako ng madaling paraan para sumikat. Pero bakit siya kumakanta sa kasal? Kasal to? Sa gitna ng farm? May tumatakbong kalab. The show must go on. Bayad siya dyan. Ganyan ang pagiging professional. Umama na yung pulutan. Oh my God. Makaka-copyright ba ako? Ano din makaka-copyright ako? Woo! Hindi tumama yung pulutan eh. Tumama yung feelings niya eh. Sobrang sakit din naman yung kinakanta niya. Just look at this. Look at this. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Yes. Hey. Sigurado ako kayo din as a love advisor here na in love din kayo, di ba? In your life. So you can relate, okay? Alam ko, yung iba dyan naghihirap as a love advisor, okay? The gym is open, okay? The gym is free. That's my secret, Game Changers. I am opening a gym. Now, kung aabot to ng kahit 10 likes, sabihin natin, yung mga natitira dyan nagbabasa ng memes, I will show you a house tour sa bagong bahay natin kung saan nasa baba yung gym. Okay? 10 likes. Ikaw, bakit 10 likes? Wala naman akong bayad dun. If this video gets 100 views, okay, ipapakita ko tong house tour ng bagong bahay. Kasi naubos lahat ng pera ko.
Bruh.
Is this dog real? The dog is yapping. It's like those guys in Discord. Kuya Lak, kailan ka mag-upload? Kuya Lak, anong ginagawa niyo? Kuya Lak, nasa niyo? Or when I'm playing it, Olenji, Noise, Jansuk, and Sujiro, they are always like this, you know? Stop the yapping! Puro kayo pag-iyak. I'm doing my best to upload something, and maybe yung mga backlog na videos na ginawa namin magkakalaro kami is pag sinipag ako i-upload ko every week. As long as may makita ko sa comment na may nag-iintay pa rin, I will upload. Okay? Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan. The hell is this? Ah? What? Who the hell is this guy? Oh, he got 1.2 million followers. 3.5 million on TikTok. Ano ba content niya? Baka makakuha ko ng tips. He films people reacting to how he looks. That's it. That's the content I need to do. I mean, he looks like, you know, Satoru Gojo, I think. Dude. Okay, I'm middle age, okay. Ayoko na nakakainis na bagay, but this guy is like, oh god, this guy is an attention seeker. Most people don't care how you look. But this guy clearly wants to know, look at me! Look at me! I am the main character. I am the protagonist. I'm joking, okay? I'm joking. Baka atakihin ako ng fanbase na ng 1.2 million. With 3.5 million followers on TikTok. I got like 20k subscribers. So, you know, baka nagsisimula lang ako ng away para sumikat. What? So I'm glad I'm not the only one who thinks that, okay? Rapid, is that you? I gotta do something that will get me famous. What this guy is doing is trying to get himself famous. I want to be, you know, in the right mind and not build. YouTube, it's not. Oh, I'll just blur that.
Nakatikim na ba kayo ng balbakwa?
Hindi
Tapos
pa.
ganito
Hindi pa ako
yung
nakatikim.
pagkadali sa sabaw, yung may mga naglulutangang taba.
You know, these videos, ang dami nilang views sa Pilipinas. Lalo ng mga food vlogger. Like, makes me wanna try food vlogging, you know? Ito dito, balbakwa daw.
Man, mabisa. Okay tong balbakwa. Bali, dito nga pala kami sa may Uncle John.
Can you tell me how it tastes? Hindi ko alam yung lasa ng mabisa.
Guys, may kanya-kanya tayong panlasa.
Oh yeah,
Pero
yeah,
para sa
yeah.
akin, okay to.
Pasensya na ako, lagi akong galit sa video. I don't have patience para sa... Pakisabi naman kung ano lasa. Hindi yung may kanya-kanya tayong panlasa. Yes, kung matamis yung pagkain, sasabihin ko matamis. Pero hindi ko trip dahil hindi ako may sa matamis. Can you tell me how it tastes para mapuntahan ko?
Pero para sa akin, okay to.
Are they not allowed to say it's not good? Something?
Ito naman yung sunod nating titikman, guys. Kalderetang baka.
Oh, titikman.
100 pesos.
Okay, manulasa.
Okay nito guys, sakto na lasa. Tapos ligod ko sa buhok.
Okay din to, sakto yung lasa. Gusto ko na rin talaga maging food vlogger you know. Sabagay, food vlogger naman is pinapakita lang yung food. Hindi naman siya food critic. So, okay lang na, sino ba to? Mai-hide sa newsfeed ko. Oh my God. This guy is in a scandal. Oh my God. I didn't mean to do this, okay? I don't know if the scandal is real, but... Wait, putok. Dahil... Anyways, bago pa tayo lumalim sa kung ano nung chismis at kung ano nung kalokohan, that's it for today, Game Changers. You have a good time. I gotta be honest, medyo nahihirapan ako mag-upload dahil ang dami kong ginagawa. If you want to know kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko, comment down below at magawan ng video para dumami yung content natin. But for today, I hope natawa kayo, nainis kayo ng kaunti sa rant ng isang matandang tao. And I'll see you next time, Game Changers.